So the topic that we are starting is we are going to do reasoning today. In reasoning, we will do the topic clocks.
Okay, sir.
We will continue the chapter triangles afterwards. Let us first finish this reasoning topics, both of them, clocks and coding and decoding. Coding and decoding we have done in last term also. Do you all remember coding and decoding?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा बहुत याद होगा. Okay.
Yes, sir. सब
Yes,
कुछ याद
sir.
है.
सर पूरा याद है.
अरे वाह. Okay, so clocks we are going to start today. It is easy. थोड़ा सा maths भी use होगा यहाँ पर. Reasoning and maths are very similar to each other. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Same type
Yes, sir.
of
Yes, sir. Almost.
okay. Clocks you all must have seen. Clocks में mainly वैसे तो there are 3 hands, but we will mainly talk about the 2 main hands. First is your hour hand and then second one is your minute hand. Angel Anand. ये सर पे बिल्ली
Yes,
बैठ गई.
sir.
हमारे सर पे बिल्ली बैठ गई है. अच्छा लग रहा है.
Thank you, sir.
लच्छू ने भी लगा लिया दोबारा से. वेरी गुड. अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, so clocks. Yeah. So yeah, is it looking like a good set or no? ठीक है. Is it fine? चल जाएगा काम. So I am trying to make a clock here. You have to. अच्छा one thing important, please, all of you. You can do the reasoning work in your maths notebooks, or if you want to make a separate notebook for reasoning, that also you can do. But
Sir, but I have made a separate notebook.
that's good. Okay, no problem. But you will not do the work in any rough notebook. Either you do in the maths fair notebook or you do in the separate reasoning notebook. Okay. So you have to make this in your copies. Make a circle and make a clock. First, you make a circle with the help of a compass and then mark the center of the circle. Draw the circle with the help of a compass.
Sir, can we make a square clock?
No, circular clock will be better because we have to study some concepts which are useful, which could be easily understand in a circular clock.
Okay,
Sir, sir, I'll be making a separate copy. So can I go and bring a new
Yes.
copy?
Quickly, you can quickly do it.
Okay, sir.
So first of all, before making the clock, starting the clock, you mark the center of the circle, and then first of all you mark these numbers 12, 3, 6 and 9. Mark these numbers first, और उसके बाद में we will mark the other numbers. Okay. So 12, 3, 6, 9. First you mark these numbers on the clock, and now the rest of the numbers you can mark.
Marked.
This is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Marked all.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So like this, you can do it easily. Clock is almost ready. Only the hands are left. So this is, first of all, this is your minute hand. The longer one is always the minute hand, and the shorter one is always the hour hand. So this is your hour hand. What is the time in my clock?
1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock. Just wait. सब्जी वाले बहुत आ जाते हैं सुबह सुबह सब्जी बेचने.
Sir, done.
Made it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, so first of all, we will write the information which we already know about a clock. Some information that we already know about the clock. So the first point, you can write these things in points. First point is, you all know that one day has how many hours?
Excuse me, sir.
24 hours.
Sir, 24 hours.
Yes, yes,
Sir?
yes, yes.
So I won't be able to open up my camera because the phone's charging is just 10% and have to plug it in. So
Okay,
can I?
okay, no problem. Where is Chaitanya? तुम्हारे कैमरा से याद आया. Where is Chaitanya? Chaitanya Agarwal is there? He is not there. Chaitanya Agarwal is not there, I think. No, not there. Okay. So we all know
Sir,
that
I will be not able to open up my cameras.
who was this?
Ma'am,
So,
Sir, me. Navya.
No problem. Have you not taken a bath today?
No, sir, network issues.
That's not that we have not taken a bath today. That is one. Okay.
Sir, we have to open our camera.
हाँ अच्छा रहेगा मुझे तुम्हारी शक्ल दिखेगी. One day equals to 24 hours. We all know this. Some basic information I am going to write that you all know, already know. So 1 hour is equal to how many minutes?
So 60 minutes.
60 minutes. 60 minutes.
And number 3, 1 minute is equals to how many seconds?
60 seconds.
So 60
60
seconds.
seconds.
Number 4, 1 hour is equal to how many seconds?
3,600.
3,600 seconds.
Sir, 3,600.
3,600 seconds. कैसे multiply 60 by 60. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Has 60 seconds. So 1 hour will have 60 multiplied by 60 seconds. Now, one more thing. One day has how many minutes? One day has how many minutes?
Sir, 3,700.
1,000.
Shayad.
It has
Sir, 1,440.
hour has 60 minutes. So 24
The
and
1,440.
1,440. Each day has 1,440. Okay. You already know all these things. और ऐसा कुछ रटने वाली बात भी नहीं है, easy simple सी. Okay, so this is the part which you already know. Now we will study something new about clocks, जो आज तक कभी नहीं पढ़ा होगा. ऐसा क्या है जो क्लॉक के बारे में आज तक कभी नहीं पढ़ा? Can you imagine? What is there which you have never studied about clocks?
Sir,
Sir,
one day has
11
how many
plus 2
seconds?
Sorry,
equals to 1.
sorry, what?
Sir,
Once again.
one day has how many seconds?
नहीं, वो तो you must have studied or you can calculate mathematically also. There is something else.
Sir, in riddles there are questions 11 plus 2 equals to 1. How?
11 plus 2 is equal to 1. Very good. It is there in the clock. अगर 11 बजे हो उसमें 2 घंटे और ऐड हो जाएंगे तो 1 बजेगा, 13 नहीं बजेगी.
Yes, sir.
That is also, but that is also
Sir, or how many times the minute and the hour hand coincide between the 2 hours?
that is also a good question. How many times the minute and hour hand will coincide in
Sir,
12?
12 times in one whole round and one day 24 times.
24 times. Okay. That I will have to think about it. But that is not the topic.
Yes, sir, as it happened in every hour.
That we will think about later. But the question is again something. The topic is again something else.
Sir, anti-clockwise or clockwise?
No, not that. Okay, let me tell you what we are going to study here. We will study the relation of these hands, with the angle covered by them. Angle covered by the hands. Do you all know one complete circle is equals to how many degrees? One
So
complete.
360.
360 degrees.
Agar if something is
360
starting,
degrees.
something is starting from this point and then it covers the whole round and it comes back to the same place, the angle covered is 60 degrees.
360 degrees.
360.
360, yeah. 360 degrees. So based on this only, I will make you write down some points.
Sir, the points you wrote, we have to write those in a fair copy.
Yes. All these points that I am telling you, you will be writing in your full copy. These also. The first 5 points we have already written. Now the sixth one. For the sixth one, before starting
Okay.
this point, I want you all to answer my question. That this minute hand, first we will talk about the minute hand. This minute hand in one rotation, how much time it takes to complete one complete? How much time?
Sir,
Minute
rotation.
Sir,
60
Sir,
minutes.
60 minutes.
It completes one rotation in 1 hour or 60 minutes. एक ही बात है ना?
Yes, sir.
1 hour में one
Yes,
complete
sir.
rotation. कितनी देर में, यानी कि
Sir, 3600 seconds.
3600 seconds. हाँ, ये बात भी सही है. Confuse कर दिया मुझे. 60 minutes में the minute hand complete rotation. यानी कि what is the angle covered by the minute hand in 60 minutes? What is the angle covered by
360.
360.
360 degrees.
rotation? 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree rotation of minute hand. Am I right or not? Am I
Yes.
right?
You're always right.
Yes, sir, you are always right.
नहीं बेटा, ऐसा नहीं. मैं कभी कभी जान करके गलत भी बोल देता हूँ, कंफ्यूज करने के लिए. सोच लिया करो, अचानक से कुछ भी गलत बोल देता हूँ जान के.
So this is right.
This is
Sir, what is the question?
मैंने पूछा था कि मतलब अभी तो मैं सही बोल रहा हूँ 60 minutes में the minute hand completes one rotation एक रोटेशन पूरा सर्कुलर रोटेशन कंप्लीट हो जाता है in 60 minutes that means कितना एंगल कितना कवर हुआ what is the measure of angle covered in 60 minutes कितना कवर करेगा it will be 360 degree एक कंप्लीट रोटेशन यानी कि how many degree 360 degree of rotation
Yes, sir.
15 minutes में 360 डिग्री रोटेशन हो जाता है नाउ कॉमन सेंस वाला एक क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं मैं लेट्स सी यहां पर कौन कॉमन सेंस लेके बैठे हैं 1 मिनट में कितना डिग्री रोटेशन होगा
Sir,
Sir, 6 degrees.
Sir, 6 degree.
sir 6 degrees. 5
degrees.
क्या लॉजिक लगाया मैंने
30 degree होगा.
व्हाट इज द लॉजिक
1 minute में 6 degree होगा.
व्हाट इज द
Sir, I divided
360
60 by 360 and
360
it
upon
came
60.
6 degree.
6 डिग्री ये क्या मैं इस नाम का मेथड नो सॉरी इस मेथड का नाम क्या है इट इज यूनिटरी मेथड
Unitary method.
yes तो 1 मिनट में द एंगल कवर्ड 1 मिनट अगर होगा तो कितना एंगल कवर करेगा मिनट हैंड 6 डिग्री
6
6
degrees.
degrees.
6 degree.
6 डिग्री रोटेशन ये लिखना जरूरी है 6 डिग्री रोटेशन ऑफ मिनट हैंड दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यू कैन मेक अ स्टार ऑन दिस पॉइंट this point is an important one you can make a star on this point okay so I will help you mark the important points eighth one let's come to the eighth point now you tell me अगर हम आवर हैंड की बात करें what is the position of our hand right now
So on 1 o'clock.
Sir,
On
on
1
1
o'clock.
o'clock.
1 o'clock. Sir, 30 degrees.
the our hand is pointing at 1 right अब ये पूरा जो है सर्कल कंप्लीट करने के बाद दोबारा 1 पे कितने टाइम के बाद आएगा how much
12 hours.
Sir,
So
Sir,
1
Sir,
hour.
after 12 hours.
sir, after 12 hours.
So yes, sir, after 12 hours.
full circle and come again and 1 after 12 hours okay 12 hours में कितना एंगल कवर कर रहा है यानी कि what is the angle covered by the hour hand in 12 hours
360.
again
Sir,
360.
लेकिन ये hour hand जो है ये बहुत ज्यादा टाइम ले रहा है how much time it is taking it is taking 12 hours to complete
Sir,
12
speed
hours.
equals to distance upon time.
360 degree rotation of 12 hours is equal to 360 degree rotation of our hand तो ये लिखना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि कौन से हैंड की हम बात कर रहे हैं वरना कंफ्यूजन हो जाएगा
Okay,
It's
sir.
important to write that
Okay, sir.
okay so can you tell me
Sir, it is written 180 degree rotation or 360 degree rotation. Sir, the 8th point.
360 degree 180 कहाँ से आ गया 360 is it not clear network problem
Yes, sir, it is blurred.
that must be some
No, sir.
network problem.
No, sir, it is totally clear.
Sir, it's total clear.
Okay, no problem. This is 360 degrees. Okay. And then let us come to the ninth point. Now you tell me 12 hours में 360 degree rotation करता है our hand. What will be the rotation in 1 hour?
Sir, 5 degrees.
30 degrees.
Sir, 30 degrees.
Sir, 30 degrees.
Sir, 30
So 30
degrees.
degrees.
30 degree rotation of our hand. Clear? Again, put a star on this. Ninth point. Ninth point पे star लगेगा. Minute hand की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो 1 minute में what is the angle covered?
Sir, 6 degree.
6
6
degrees.
degrees.
Angle covered. If we are talking about the hour hand, what is the angle covered in 1 hour? 30 degrees. Now the 10th point, जो जगह नहीं बची है मैं यहाँ the 10th one. What is the angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute? Hour hand 1 minute में कितना angle cover करेगा?
Sir, 2.
Look at this.
Sir, 2 minutes.
अभी हमने यही तो बोला था 1 hour का मतलब क्या होता है? इसको मैं अगर
Sir,
60
sir,
minutes
0.5 degrees. 0.5 degrees.
correct answer.
0.5 degrees.
ध्यान से देखिए answer.
Sir, 2 degrees.
You will get the answer in the 9th point. Look at this. All of you, pay attention. This is important. In 1
Sir,
hour,
after 9th.
Sir, what we have to find?
I am asking you what will be the angle covered by the
0.5. Sir, 2 degrees.
what is the angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute? 1 minute में कितना angle cover होगा?
Sir, 2
Arlen,
degrees.
Arlen, kindly switch off your audio.
Yeah, Ali and everyone else also. Please turn off your audience. Yes. 1 hour में the angle covered by the hour hand is 30 degrees. 1 hour का मतलब क्या होता है? 60 minutes. This means the hour hand 60 minutes में it is how much this angle is covered in 60 minutes by the hour hand. 60
Sir, 30.
the angle covered is 30 degrees.
30 degrees.
So 1 minute में अगर मुझे निकालना है, I will divide 30 by 60. So in 1 minute, we are talking about the hour hand, not the minute hand. In 1 minute, the angle covered is 30 upon 60. So this is equal to 0.5 degree. या फिर 1/2 भी बोल सकते हैं आप. 0.5 degree rotation. 1 minute is equal to 0.5 degree rotation of hour hand. तो दो तरीके के क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे अगेन a star on this point. दो बातों पे ध्यान दीजिएगा. मैं I am going to
Sir,
ask-
we have also make stars.
You have made the stars?
Sir, we have to make the stars.
Yes, yes, obviously. अभी तो मैंने लगाया है. So two things you have to these all the 3 points are very important, but उसमें भी point number 7 and 10 are more important. So two things, pay attention on these two things. If I ask you what is the angle covered by minute hand in 1 minute, by minute hand in 1 minute, that is 60 degrees, and the angle covered by hour hand in 1 minute is equal to 0.5 degrees. Is it clear? Angle covered by the hour hand in 1 minute is equal to 0.5 degrees. Angle covered by
Okay, sir.
the hand in 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Clear. Totally.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what we will study about clock in the first and the second, maybe in the second lecture also. So how much time is left? Like yes, 13 minutes are left.
Sir,
So-
so which type of questions will come?
I will
Exam.
I will be asking you questions now. You all will note down the questions also in your copies. Okay. So
Okay.
you all have written these points. Are you all ready for the question?
Sir, writing the 10th point, please wait.
Written.
All the points.
Sir, written all the points. Sir, written.
Very good.
Sir, written.
Very good. Okay. So the first question, please note down the question. First, you note down the question, and then after writing the question, then you will think of the answer. Okay. I am going to dictate the question. Note down the question in your copies, all of you. Be ready.
Sir, what will be the heading?
Mostly the heading is clocks, and now the questions based on the topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the first question is, what is the angle covered? What is the angle covered by the minute hand? What is the angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes? 15 minutes.
Sir, please repeat the question once.
Sir, what is the angle covered by the minute hand in 15 minutes?
Yes. Angle covered by the angle hand in 15 minutes. I have written on the board.
Sir, now can we write the answer also?
So very simple it is. You,
Sir, 90 degrees.
yeah, correct. Common sense वाली बात भी अभी देखेंगे. Common sense कहाँ पर है यहाँ पे? मैंने आपको लिखवाया है. What is the angle covered by the minute hand in 1 minute? Covered by the
6 degrees.
It is 6 degrees. Am I right? 1 minute में कितना cover कर रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Minute hand. तो पहले आपको तो यहाँ पर ध्यान देना है that the question is about the minute hand or the hour hand. So first thing that you have
Sir,
to
minute hand.
very important point, all of you listen carefully. First thing that you have to notice in the question is that we are talking about the minute hand or the hour hand. So in this question we are talking about minute hand or hour hand, all of you.
Sir, minute hand.
Minute hand.
Minute hand.
हम कौन सा वाला point लेंगे? We will use the point number 7. Okay. So in 1 minute, we are going to use point number 7. Point number 7 says 1 minute is equal to 6 degrees rotation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what
Yes,
is-
sir.
What will be the rotation in 15 minutes? It will be 6.
Sir, 90 degrees.
It is
6 into 15, which is 90 degrees.
90 degrees.
6 into 15, which is 90 degrees.
Yes.
Sir, I found it by other way. I found that 1/4 of an hour is 15 minutes, then 1/4 of 360 degrees is 90.
That is also यही मैं कह रहा था common sense वाली बात है. So you have used your common sense. Alan Tandon has used common sense. Alan लग रहा है तुम्हारा टंडन सरनेम होने का फायदा हो रहा है. Okay.
ऐसा नहीं है सर, सब मेहनत करता हूँ.
ये मजाक कर रहा हूँ. I'm just joking. So what is this? So if you all know that when it is the minute hand is at 12. यहाँ से देखिए ध्यान से. Minute hand is at 12. 15 minutes के बाद minute hand कहाँ point करेगा? It will point at 3. Am I right or not? After
Yes,
15
sir.
Yes, sir.
minute hand will point at 3. So what is this angle? What is this angle between the two positions?
Sir, right angle.
90 degrees.
The right angle. common sense
Right angle, right angle.
Sir, we have to draw it.
Sorry.
We have to draw it in a
No,
notebook.
no. Don't draw it. So this method, common sense is obviously there, which is very important thing. But the proper method to find the answer is this. So I gave you an easy question first of all. So in the first question, easy question, common sense.
Sir, all are playing guitar.
All are playing guitar. मेरे को तो सुनाई नहीं
No,
दे
sir, we are studying maths.
रहा. That is because of the network, I think. And my voice is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, your voice is clear.
Yes, sir. Your voice is clear.
So पहला question तो we could have used common sense also or the proper method also, but now when the questions will follow, questions are going to come. So it will not be that easy to do the question with common sense only. So you must know the proper method also. So that is why this proper method is used. Let us see the second one. Okay, one more question. Tell me, again the question is, the starting of the question is the same. What is the angle covered by the minute hand in 27 minutes? अब बताइए कॉमन सेंस से कर सकते हैं क्या ये इतना इजीली? पिछले क्वेश्चन
सर इसके लिए तो 6 से ही करना होगा.
you need the proper method. Angle covered by the minute hand in 27 minutes. So this is question number 2.
So 162 degree.
In 1 minute it covers 6 degrees.
Sir,
162 degrees.
162 degrees.
Sir, 162 degrees.
Sir, 162 degrees.
Answer is 162. Clear? All of you?
Sir, we have to write this question.
You have to write this question.
Done.
Okay. Third question. All of you ready?
No, sir, 1 minute. Sir,
Yes, sir, ready. Ready.
Study. So
Yes, sir.
next one. Third one. What
Sir,
is the
3 minutes are left.
no problem. What is the angle covered by the minute hand? Again, the question starts with the same statement. What is the angle?
Sir, everyone is playing guitar.
Because there is some network issue. I think it is at your end because I am able to listen everyone clearly. Who was this? This was Navya.
So please tell the question.
So what we have to write after minute hand in?
Angle covered by the minute hand. What is the angle covered by the minute hand? From
Sir, what?
Angle covered by the minute hand from 1:15 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. to 1:57 p.m. From 1:15 p.m. to 1:57 p.m. What is the angle covered by the minute hand?
Sir, more than 180.
Oh, better you have to find the exact answer. That's good. More than 180. Answer will be more than 180.
Sir, 252 degree.
Less than 270.
Sir, the time is
Sir,
47
252
minutes.
degrees. Sir, 252 degree.
I think
Sir, 252.
252 is the correct answer. So for this, what you will do, you will first find the
Sir,
difference
282 or 252?
It's 252.
in time. यहाँ पर what is the difference between the two times? The difference is 57 minus 15, so it is 42. कितना difference है time में? 42 minutes. Clear? Now you can easily find in 1 minute the angle covered is 66 degree. In 42 minutes, the angle covered will be 42 multiplied by 6. So answer is 252 degrees. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir, clear.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I want you all to switch on your videos. Let me see कौन-कौन बच्चे नहाएंगे। मजा आता है चेक करने में कौन-कौन बच्चे नहाते बैठे हैं। लक्ष्य कुमार